aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedi
Abusia yemao na yemo akwaba se de bia meka no ebia na wo hwe beyond the country na o ho no e anopa mo ache onso de rade asa afi kwa na obekọ mpama akwakoda nso a yemo adwo na Ghana de afi e na abo no nan eno nti yemo adwo mo bia hwe efiri bia no na ye na asese wanya mre na odo kasafidie no ato another kasafoni na to Kumawood TV na o hwe live, also live on Facebook with my journey ho Kumawood TV and on YouTube and so Kumawood TV me din edit Sir Mike ene eda yawada 2nd September 2021 as a PCA ena yede ma twedi ampon do boss ro onya bre ebo asase ade nyina mu no dunyame aye no it is perfect enunti yeda na se a na ese na efata ene nso no so asagugu ewa santimantemu eko Eastern Regional nyagro so na topa ewo miamia ahodo ebre nti chene nso se emofra no se upia omu pia ko school a mo matade be betumi ahya ebema awo no entumi enkomumu emre ise no uja amofra no saa awo betumi akomu awon so ko mu bebre a ma na kofa ya rekese na ede abre bofra no nti chene so pa efme covid no so chene so se yare no eda so ewo ho enkoye nti me ma na nye se yare no eko covid no eda so ewo ho eno nti ya na o ben nipa mu a na wa so nose mask no etumi ede amaye sanso na se bi kura no a o na mo a papa bi na oro nsa fa nsu etene ɛworo nsa na afi use hand sanitizer na entumi emwa wo hensi a wadaroma na wakata ohene na wakata wano na ohene na afi etumi aboa all the protocols no yehwe na yini so na afi no yare no entumi entu ase anase entumi nsi ne kwan fi se yare no mu yaden a yina no yenya comfortable yenyuma mu yemfie mu adesuam ya hodo na dade yina no you will not be comfortable. You remember last year you see your bra e ka say lockdown akonche akra wuko mu no kire se o se me no mienu boy ho ban se de be ya covid no entumi enye nsemu na sene so samo so a AstraZeneca no modikan award di dikan no mo entumi anwo the second dose no akonya ho aba de bia obi abomode na ekọ be bia akọ no na afi ekọ second dose no na entumi mo imbue still immune system na entumi mo no nkire se wunya covid ni bi owo wie kwa na still no ano continue following the protocols na afi entumi mo na sene so se enuane a wodi no ma fruit and vegetables no so no enoso na wadawa ni na afa ka ho na afi yare no entumi enhwe ebre na se when you boost your immune system no yare no ba bebre pa ansa na etumi kura no aka ho e de wato form ene enyamre na yetumi adi nkomo nsam no de doso and the question major question me busa on this show and it's the current state of Ghana hardship or normal say Ghana pa ewe ahokire kron pa no e wo ho amanfo ho kire wo mo anase emfa ne say normal saa na tia frititi nyina san bia e mae ebejamre na yetumi adi ho enkomo the CID boss ora Kenya boa enso na oye CID boss e wo my Ghana na odi nsemi atojo akire mu say in fact e ada ya pa say police detectives a omo ekokot koboko adu na omo ekokot na brofo kura kan ye den wo se ani wu pa we police ni na wonte brofo a CID boss en kan jo say hu ani wu pa say obekokot na ante brofo na busa police ni brofo na wo say you have to be ashamed of yourself so police ni ante brofo na mo brofo no nyamo de nsu brofo kasa no na mudur kota matimi aka bi na eno ne hia reducing crime in Ghana no anya no say a priority your Ghana your mom kan hausa your various events tribes I will be on the kasa until you pa no kokko no wadmi anka brofo a na nka ye dey CID well ono so the foot ma police for enso so eno no and also ehun enkomo Western Regional Deputy Minister ono so Yamano Kafrai ebusu afọ no yakọ se covid e de no ekọ eno so nsem e ha na Ghana's first lady Rebecca Kufuado na ode adestede to Ghana for nim we say I mean kind of brofo hansa give my husband more time we say ni kunu oba ye said you see chance ye pa obo adwuma no enya agro na open 10 so pa say ne niam ba ku nu bi eheda nkoya munya botre moma ni kunu mre ama na na Kufuado emra obeto deliver ama man no so no atumi akonanim akwasi ada wodi na ye wada as usual ye wada bia no ha na wodi ke wonei ibi na kopien kran into the can't me amba no dike and what to be e de amane say in fact when it comes to the fight against corruption His Excellency Nana Kufuado has no means in fighting corruption last week and the tuja o kan ha in Ghana web near other social media apike e mu say we the case some waka no someone pani pa so bit me fight corruption there ono akasa kora no corruption no ene no ene da into want me fight it da e o my Ghana no so sensem enso e wa ha crime rate nso a because of my Ghana no kokobo etimi e de aba na kwaku amwakwata e Ghana's Roads Minister papa no me ni ba kokora sei me ni ba kokora na wateki ashin bia ndie o se bona ba so pa ona nam o se okoto ahwe akwan hodo ayaye ye won kran ene Ghana miam ya hodo ene okopie mu a kwan ayaye no obi ede anwea ene abo agufa eso ono no si de dan do si kwan ne fa action apana teki no enya agro ibi kakra de akireo na abasobodi bi o ha yetumi ede abo no mo nso amoye sade no ya na nya kra kwan bonsi asifa na ye de anwea ede agum enya mo na se dumu dan yeso ye se allegedly se mayor NC sa dumu dan de ye direct opposite to Boss FM any Prudential Bank omusi sa omusi kwan no efa anwea gufa na yesi dan no why because eni kuro na nyina beto no dan so ye mo ye renovation ntini ye mfa nwane gogo he minister says handsome pro no sabi on so bi wasi candidates no as tactic exams omo na said the econo and a foot aqua at the ammo say or mommoding omusia de na enema intimi mo ansam no de a dawson na assemble ko an name Professor Patrick Lumumba etimi ede atudwa wo kire mu ene say in fact ana ene apa so no Kenya no wo law professor director school of law Kenya sanso ena papa yi anti corruption commissioner wo Kenya no ona eda no ena wo kire mu say in fact is highly disappointed in the current government na Akufo-Addo so di ade o say ampani ba ye no so ko betumi ayadwuma o ya say yadwuma kra obo me to ketache bank woni kan ase na enwome na di e o tena opa na obusa say Ghana mampani e fe na Akufo-Addo no nie da bi ene nya kra nkoye kra de o ye ne paro ansa de a ene nya nei ono so etumi ede atudwan sam no dawson enyamre na afi etumi edi ho enkomo aseda enko emfa ema ya boa for God's Way casket shop Kumasi asafo liberal about we say o casket na casket na ohia onipa bi na ewuo na ope ifunda ka ope ambulance video coverage ope sound system canopies chairs and even decoration kra no a God's Way Kumasi asafo no wo bra na ontimi mo na de wo ye de aboa no se woni sika kra na busu pani mo no mu ase o mrante nanim na mrante bibiri ho mu ade abusu enum nti mo no mu ase kra ntantam so ha no mo de na bra no ho na o ma oni ma na bi pakosifu no kwa ye ni wi a o diska na beto be fa no God's Way Kumasi asafo labor runabout sanso na seda enko Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center okwo atibie na ho ne fa na sikafo amantem no na kwoti kuro ni din sikafo amantem okwo atibie tania abati kuro din nyagoro kra Malam so si bo adwuma ho no nyagoro kra okwo atibie ono de wose bra wo ha no amane no honhom ne honoma ni na no bra na ontimi mu ana de Malam eye na enika na efe ne se wo a obabi edam etwere yare se stroke na ha wo woni kwa na efra Malam se bra nyambe nam ne so na watimi ate ede ama sanso na wo a ebi abebambo ede ama odwuma ede ama obusua wankasa ho ana se bi awo no ayeden ede ama wo akwantu nsem na ayeden obi eje obi bi wasase obi eje waso man sida na so da ojapade bi no bi eje a ni nyina ne keka ho nyamete am so no Malam se brai na afi ontumi am ko watibie eskafo amantem na Malam Muhammad wo asabio enko enfama Venezuela travel and tour Venezuela travel and tour Kumasi Santasi was say a hotel reservation and I say international and local domestic airline ticketing passport and our pay visa and our person assistant and certificate visa obit me abwao adeba ko wasan ye pa efe and they say mo pese munya birth certificate no was ni bi abrai within a week obeje de am obo no so from pa enya agro mo amutu kwan na makwa mo na de mo ha ina no enkonko dan Venezuela travel and tour na afi omo entimi mo Kumasi Santasi na omo butu ade ba ko omo kan wasam da bia ene se omo de omo ni kan enye usika na no do akọ omo ye documents nyina wie omo do kotka airport na officer ni kutawo o plane ticket kutawo omo sa afi de be fu plane no a obusu ni gina nchen na omo so gina ho na afi obusu ni na kan sika ni go mosam na onso afu plane na akọ ba bi akire din country so akọ no bia nso kra wo ho a omo abepo bi wo ho ama kusi ne so bia atra bia ada etme adwuma ede sika ebo abusuafo eno na Venezuela travel and tour Santasi omo so eye ede abo mo pokwa school no ha na eye enhwanimu na afia aseda ne bi enko Kumawood Training Institute Kumawood Training Institute aseda ne bi enko fama omo Stardom aka kire se Stardom audition no ebiso a ekoso nti mo de a ne follow ye na afi no omo di ka ba first audition no omo yo mo de second audition so e ba so a enche kra mo de a na onso e follow ye na afi bra audition ne bi na me ya dom na utimi bowuramu na afi o qualify to the competition main competition no a ene nya agro kra 10,000 Ghana cedis near the amount na afi nema eguso court nanim enso ho shene so sase da bio enko emfa eba our travel and logistics so the whole called Dubai 3 months boso me ensa and our travel anya abotre na oje visa ede amoda kopi mo Dubai no so mo adwuma ye na wasan so no etia ba bia abeda nti wo kɔ no nso etie so nya bi na adwuma no ho bia da nso ho na ukɔ a atumi akɔ adwuma de aboa ababusua no manga na so atumi akɔ so ɛda kɛse hu no Ghana nya dodo no ano abrochirefo ya enei ɛna asa kakra bi ɛde mo de tu kwan kɔntu de hu hia pa nko bi da wɔn de kɔ bi na bi nsa kɔntu hu hia pa frɛ mo na ɔmo nso enye so me din ɛde sɛ Mike Kumawood Television. We are live on Facebook. We are live on YouTube. Join here. Now for you to me any common nay. I be there for me and Sam no more is in Kunya. To me a din komo. Eric Uche Bafo or NPP communication team member. Sanso ena okupiemu ewo Austria so Eric na oye founding member edema NPP manyukuno ewo Austria oye financial consultant and investment analyst ono ewo fia Sanso ena broadcast journalist miamini abako a ene no eye nsantwa djuma ewo oman Ghana class media right ho ena obutu eye me fan Virgin Prince anything na Kobe ena also obetimi afre no na afi ayefefefefe ono so eken ho ni nyamre etimi edi enkomo mimidin ere se Mike me na asese nyamre dwara kosi fiada 46 na hwe wajenche no abra ni nyamre entimi enkenkan and so enfama 691 pregnant girls return to school in Eastern region good news 691 Eastern region monyem kola no dodo adai na mo yesa well Mama Virgin Prince akwaba na afi ewi a yentwa ye ho nyem abafo nka tomra na yetrasia enyamre etumi esidepi senior
Menu
akwaba
thank you
abakode
nyame adom na also
adom any eja experience so Ghana
yes I
don't
actually any experience
Ghana ne de is adom no nyame de manwa na the experience aka fu we see intimi nto
oh and now ba be king
ndi intimi nto
anyway we can say nyame ya wadom na ade akyenwa ya obefa na no o ma wo mu no ene ko bia na Nigeria for am say Ghana for magicians
yeah
because they look at your salary ayaji me say na yetimi manage your homa bosom fufuro sabeto ya na ye magicians amba
in the first place we are training I musa question say wo hwe ekwan asantre for adwuma ye say ye de trete e de hwe ama say aban we ba so bia no watimi aye the right thing and one ye and say yes kakra
meda se mechia ahwefo nyina me omomotie nyina bebi omo bia wo wiase a ewo nyina ye chechi omo nyina meda se so se wato nsa afre me ba ha che kakra on sense say so aba ha ense nyama ekoyi
what I say
na question na obisa me nua ensem trofo we are the fourth estate of the realm
sure
nia broni kasamuye pese kan say oyi executive oyi legislature oyi judiciary yen central for near tosso even though say yen or mining share so ya na ye koba omo amaka na de o mane na hwe omo but ye say ye na the fourth estate of the realm nti ye dwumadie no obia betimi aye bibia bet ye na ye watchdog e wo obia so e ba cha otina make na say but as to whether say ya coming far na nti say those maybe a tremu no na untimi nkasa ni asefo but today yet me can ya dream yet me kasa but as to whether say you holding government responsible and I say omo ayedi o minor sure mo sound responsible no I think we are lacking a little bit.
And why do you think we are lacking?
What Niami person may kind of say we are lacking because is either some of them are afraid to talk.
Okay.
Because of near maybe AC. Say so o yonko semtroni eye na adwuma na wo te se obi abonituo ekuna o ye nipa ebebo hu enquired there so you like to live and take care of your wife your kids nti ehu bebem o ho so na semtroni ofu se okoka na yakota age no
okay
onse krum ha they don't look at niawoka na yakota age so osese be wo kasama party we and also come ebi so wo ho a ye nuanom bi they just don't want to talk yeah just like that some time ago who say ye nuanom bi were very vociferous no mo kasapa but now unti omonka what is going on sometimes it's their personal decision not to talk again and no mean to me.
And is that right? Because a Jumana idea to a hospital. I say, yen so ye, one more man on Puntu at Miacoso. This it will be now Cassa. It will be now as a one Cassa, only no crowd one can. Oh, Wagana.
And you're right. I always have a principle. You might disagree with my principle. But as a journalist, principle I may want to say, or buy or tissue or Jimmy taxes, or no, me less is a shame. So I don't care about the opposition.
Because on the day
on Jimmy tax, mean to shame, man. But whoever is in government, no Jimmy taxes, how he uses those money, made the man. ASA important to me. As a journalist, that should be our focus. But unfortunately, our focus is something different. Now security minister Kandapa, those stand up with capital radio. Or can be very profound. Or say government my dream say a bind be bam mama be Ghana ye.
Oh wow.
Oh, ye. Both parties will try and do something.
Okay.
But Nkrofo aban bia srowo omo asetrem omo bae eyensem trofo any civil society organization.
Okay. TSOs no.
TSOs. So if say trofo eteda na civil society organization so teda aban wo few day a otimi di ye bibi ope.
Currently yatiada na.
Oh matiada. Yatiada. Me centroni. I think say yatiada. Just a few of us are omokasa. Yatiada. Because the kind of pressure, another kind of criticism, another kind of watchdog be a ma a certain regime be omabetemono. And they yatiada.
Right.
There so oten
ma tell you can I say because politicians don't so be media house no more.
Politician be a media house. When he employs you as a journalist, you have to be a journalist.
Okay.
And speak the truth. Even if it means losing your job. Oh,
right. I was enjoy when you for gratumra. Ya ba boga so atena se. Ebi nyamre na ya dinko. Ya ba yesi.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebi no ba from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra adwuma me ne da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ho no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu na say abaye mremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni sia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern region ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kokwa tibie udu wo bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well awol pia obusia dey say ifirimu why the den nti beslewa we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ma ye den ma menti wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na ma why beslewa
ebusia yoko nyenko nkumase
munko nkumase
Martin Luther.
Oh, nah. It's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, obra kwantu ya wo. Semina na ma ya nke twene ni ahwedan yo. Na bisu afani asoma me. Semina me pada ka. E wo kuma se afamara. Na me se ya chini. Ye nya da ka yi.
Nansani
mo na mo that's why. Mo shia me dey win problem kra. Wo be je di se me free Dubai betu Ghana. Ana me na confident. Wo to na na mo ansia do. Ni eje yi ni pro me so. E wa bre de me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me go straight casket shop. Ah e wo kuma se labor hire. Me ko ho no ma. Anu mo sa ni me yes kan hye yo. Wo de bi ntwa no. Misika ya di ma me se me fa bra no. Ni so abezu ya se me ambulance. Na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance any de be down omo ya ambulance service into any problem kra any na ye here ni say ubenya sika kakra bi dia to ase you know say kuma stay by plan no ye ko nam ko kira o some cosway casket shop here ye wona come bere te say de mu hu ni na cosway casket shop ye wo kuma say infantile town ye dey labor office na ben cosway casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Say ya kwantu ne ho hyehyɛ padia ɛno ani Venisberg Travel and Tour ɛyɛ adwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina agye ato mu ɔbɔ ma wɔyɛ birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amwaje visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing deɛ wɔyɛ number 1 ɔdo be konkro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any amanye de Schengen visa de ondwuma nyina so na ɔdo kodura amanoni a ba bia ɔbɛda ɛne adwuma ɔbɛyɛ nyina nso so ɔbɛpɛ ɛde amawo adisuafo mu kosua de ɛwɔ Canada UK Cyprus Czech Republic Australia Belarus Switzerland Ukraine Russia USA any amanye keka ho nyina nso ɔde mbɛkɔ akodura sumdue mu jojo na ɔde mu kodura emra mu sua de no nso ɔsapɛ dwuma mamu a mo yɛ dwuma mu hunu ha bia Venisberg Travel and Tour head office ɛwɔ Kumasi Santase ne Opokuari school ene de animhwɛ bɛkwai odo to Biriwura bank nkyɛpɛ Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction de animhwɛ frɛ yɛ ne ɛwɔ 0242 902 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene ɛda yɛn so oni Vision Hotel Junction de animhwɛ frɛ yɛ ne ɛwɔ 0242 902 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene ɛda yɛn so
right abusia yɛn san ɛma akwaba oguso sinopi we are live on Kumawood TV meeting say my kwadwe nkyerɛ no manem right na enyamre enkenkan entumi emfa emao ene yɛdwene Ghana ho bebia yɛde efa but the question mebusa na enyamre di ho nkomo ene say the current state of Ghana hardship or normal say ene we Ghana pa no a bibia no saa na we say normal saa na we say ya anasa ho kyerɛ pa ewa Ghana. But then the first question I my colleague journalist me no ewa ha and they say central phone so no yetimi aboa o man ya na say as yesuro kasa no kwa no so bitumi hwe wa abon so afro wi so no afro chale ya nyabotre no nkrofo we de o nyabotre a to no anim say ade no awka no it is right but who say ade na wo so ka wan ka no wan we e bia no bi kwa no akwache akoye bone and then he holds the view say ebu ho nso a ye mienu nsantwerefo ene civil society organization bitumi aye pa amana ye but ena ebia niema ba ko mienu bi ka ho ntino ama ye ntimi live up to expectation wadwe nkyere wo say ebi kura nso nyanhwefo nso dodo no a ho nso kura no a omo nyansantwerefo yes no of bi na abie station no ni abi na abie station no ana say we politician so okuta MPP card pa NDC card pa not station ho no ye adwuma ebe ye den ana otuma ye adwuma asensantwere ni aye fair Maima Erikochei a founding member NPP Austria or sign a financial consultant investment analyst is that your kwaba bako there
nyamiado na bonso e
nyamiado usa mo ba mo di 6 months kora no a difference no stay no mo
oh uri na best na to be mo ba yi na be ma bet mo izi dia mi 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 penye tie yi na so we no go to no fresh no mo
no so on all class media
ti say edi ni kura wa uti o no
but o ba na ye hwe the issue of Ghana and Trefo say ye boa wo ye MPP ni wo akonwa so hu say sama na wo position na wo amano ne say na da bia what is and Trefo ye twire bi ni ye kan bi ne da de no are we doing same to this government?
Well, my fa kwenye so na me tia obi bia na fit kese ato Kumawood TV asami most especially Agaji
Okay.
Yeah. Omo ye my Ghana my ye boa say nanado the yuma ne enuma wo ye no be boku dewu.
Oh okay.
Na me ame papa honorable SB entry.
Oh
me yo papa the umbuso ye adwuma.
Kumasi yira de say no.
I says I say I did that ho. Said kwabra na kura no eno be di ehim na say wantimi anya say awose aban agiri tu.
Yeah. But I dey back one. You ne say okra no aban ne pa no. Se ka say osesi bi eko. Nti ka dey back osesi bi buy obeye ya dachi bi in 5 years. Ghana for bit media kind was sentiment mu a minim de odebe kind dey.
Oh well for we nearby me dey kind pa first oko Konfanochia. The only center in the whole of sub-Saharan Africa. Konfanochi Hospital. I'm the cancer. About where Burkina Faso, Nigerians, Togo, all the neighboring African countries.
I don't know what was SB.
Yes.
Now regional minister so the young man.
Oh, send here, who council SB. I mean, they are all working together.
But who say yeah politics.
Yes, yeah.
But then yeah can and for your fair. Say you can. Me am it hey. Say SB ni ho. No you busam so may you be oba here. Say you bodin e be akwasi agime din. You bodin at least kojobonsu. E be ka say lottery park. So o says be nim de be kai na dey.
The be kai na say no Konfanochia the only center in this sub-Saharan Africa you treat cancer. Under his regime and this side. I'll go Konfanochia.
Yes, that one me connect jam ko so says be o me boni dia fra. Right, yes I trefo.
Yes I trefo. Who say me dabini apeni asepa in fact me nim no.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's my
first okay. Is a senior man.
Yeah, well me the way Oshi Kasa which is analytical way they're very good. See, Oshe the arms of government who's a motor support. You are part of the stakeholders at Burane country. Judiciary, executive, and then media. No, money the fourth. Now, most so now we are the mouthpiece of the nation. Yeah, DB touch man. Mona motion now we are the. You see, Abuja we are. Media are very very powerful. Media are very powerful. More than Donald Trump. In fact, even go to a time Facebook, the whole president of Ghana, so now your man call all these things, Facebook, Twitter, and
social media.
It tells you say media are very very powerful. Say omutimi ekra omoko eye enyomo so be there omoya. But no hey media eya ekoso ya. Akwakwa say emienu. Say the now can ye wo current government no bia on the media houses omo propagating. And in fact you want the neutral media house which is Kumawood media ya mumu ye neutral. Yeah, you could see say if you so ba no mo ye adwuma nhunu ni a ebi mo ye de kapa. I mean you are aware and you are in the system and adia ba ko a make afa ho no eye sikasem.
Okay.
Yes, sika. Because me name media for ni bi edidi nkomo. If you look at omo salary omo age in fact e be as if marry. E bet me kra beduma as early as 4 a.m. Ebeba be prepare news editing we are 6 a.m. wa papa for kind. We are wasatna say newspaper review.
Yeah.
Tnemu at 10. I feel obesa ko out ako press stories at their back.
Number
12 abe kind news. At the end of the day no bosumi bi akwa man no 900,000. Many be breading come. Oh, to such a person who be free fear be 4 a.m. no bed fear ni be 8. At the end of the month no command is here. It's just a chicken feed man. It's peanuts. It is a media. Say politician need who know be who information not but say hey say no or starting say oh yeah no e ho na no penifo be frɛ no abrantie
pe akrama
ya pe akrama
no no
e de ma wa Oscar aye de ma no e so sen wa ketu aye de oje and let's look at some of the media houses medias now one omo lifestyle they try to live. Also share the kind of life a bimo live or tell will be on no what be factories or we put out workers be 500,000 looking at the houses that they are living. But one thing I also use this opportunity to tell the media and say, even though say your salary no is again, also most of the media houses no and yet there's one thing Mabagana and in Africa, yeah, bread. Nay. When you have the name, it pays.
Who dinner?
Who dinner?
Who did you dinner?
A dinner each year. Yes, but people are not taking notice of it. When you have a name, the name itself pays. Especially with Sir Mike. Around that. I mean, my visibility studies. And yet all the media has be a friend. Didn't come out. Abraham Tender kind of prepare. You Kumawood TV, a host, you say, oh, there be Abraham Tender. Ultimate value to two journalists, because they're double beard. He will say it as it is. It is such a person like Sir Mike, no. What Nasika say, okay, you see, I have the name, and people love me. What can I do to solve the problem within my metropolis? Sir Mike can come in with any NG. Is one who say Bola, a fee, a idea, a said you're okay, say you should top a year, mamma, and then I'd be solve problem. Now, say Mike, then he begins to write letters to other stakeholders. Say, way 1, 2, 3, 4, and my person, me solve the problem of it. I need sponsorship. Right? I mean, this is a business and you consultant here, free. You have churches around. You have companies.
Business,
yes, businesses around.
Virgin Sotia, honestly.
All right, you write to them.
Yeah.
So, Kumoma, Danya, Trobe, 10 and at least you get your 10. We want to cook some we no move to say. What starting your project? You see, that stakeholders from them. On breaking forth.
Okay.
Per where you now, you can also write internationally. To seek for what? Sponsorship. You need evidence. Because we need to prove it.
And you more politicians, no? And now, more corrupted the media. Because says Prince Bekaya, 2 years. Now, there has been a banter between my colleague Bakon on a sister station and Chamawun to me. To the extent, say, the regional Chamaka said, we try the cut every month. So if you have a journalist, or friend NDC, NPP, someone better now, or friend CP come home, or see a major Ghana home. Now, over one side, on only 3 and a cup of some maybe. Do you think this journalist can be fair?
And no, I may catch your name. Say, I dear Bakwe Hamono is money, that is my salary, but I'm also giving another year you be a fair journalist.
Now, do you always have to be paid well before you work well? Is that what we want to say? Say was a cut piano sumidi and sana but me idea was a yana
there be and no yet the norms are here in Africa for was a Brunei na me wa company ba ku Austria na bakery company or na me IT department enti ya na na hu say dadwa no boat ato machine a emese you know okay wha ye ma signal say you stop machine sin ya ka to say you know atuntu omunyai tina me de minimu say ye bedwele you know afini hwe ni nyina gu ti sabi me say abrofo be 10 obia esisi no ho white a so unhu tkay wo na omatiesi you know na busa say dey am say and they had no mudidi until they must sacrifice for the job irrespective of say aketweni sa and asakete that instant no it really taught me a great lesson okay it ya fe no e ma me begin say me je juma wholeheartedly okay whether aketwa na eso and asay dey eso so what did they make until say media politician no dey man the giver is a corruption. The giver and the receiver, they are all corrupt. So we don't say corruption. On can say my bribe. Oh, now say. So you want to pay rules. So. Okay. Part between your cabos maybe. Part between and it's corruption. So we hear Juma man. A dear fight no. Who could want say black and now black who could was white. It's also corrupt. Right. Yes. So you don't have the right. And yes, Anna, your sincerity as a journalist, no, you can't be. Okay. I wish I would so live on Kumawood TV. I didn't change Fabra. Decades and for home don't name impeding the forbidden, but then one is and for sign 1 monitor and for Ghana. Who say you man here, you know, and I said we are doing a bid for politicians. Yeah, me that say. So Mike, like I said earlier on, sir, we are centrally. Now you should ask yourself, what are your value systems? Okay. What do you value in life? Why did you even become a journalist? That would determine whether somebody can buy you with money or not. But you are aware of this situation? Oh, I am aware. I am aware. Why not? Why not? I am aware. But the guy, who said, or a professional. You know why? Chairman Tuanika. Yeah. But Chairman Party, he was able to talk about it. Sure. That tells me the kind of person you are. He wouldn't have said anything. And that is 1 out of 10. Yes, 1 out of 10. Meka alaji gusa me yonko listo yes to book us. Yeah, listo obeman is all right. But what's Obeka? One name Pesca. Journalist is nipa. Or no so call market ni bi. Or top petrol go ne come. Okay. So he needs money. So take the money. But when it is time to speak the truth, the country is behind you to speak the truth. So chairman, chairman, no problem. No one who say ni no the mao no the bribe. Na bibintia. So they don't come to tell you so. Media. They don't come to tell us so. Jiskawe na asemba menkasa. Yeah. They start influencing by Jiskawe. They start giving you money, but indirectly they are telling you something. But also you were near no creba na waka. I'm saying say we are journalists, and I say this with all the passion in me. You need to have a principle in life. Okay. Truth is truth. Honesty is honesty. Politicians fear people who speak the truth to them. And we should start speaking truth to power. It doesn't matter who is the president of the country. As a journalist, I dare say here also be holding government accountable. That is the work of a journalist. Who cares about an opposition leader? Me to tax man. Me no tax in na ye dia mobi. And yes ni pano on administer on our behalf. Road in here ya on be ye maye. Hospital here on be ye maye. Nipa no nya hospital no. You should have the right and boldness to say so. Sika ye tia no de ye den. So what be saying so de ye den no nche say what time no. You don't hate him.
You are just calling for accountability. Look, we'll be coming to corruption, but the countries that borrow us money, have you sat down to ask yourself where they get the money from? Are they a or what is free so? Omunkro for mutia taxes ya no munye bidi your mind no diaka
na ye we nsi bitua
o de tie
country aye budget na taxes mu a
o de tie
na onye opposition no ya the press comment na we was mu bitua two way aban no onwene mu
okay
yes can you
you see, do you know why people don't feel like paying taxes in this country? Because they don't see what their taxes are used for. Maybe a free abrochiri. On country me. You dare not stay in abrochiri say won't your tax. Yeah. But their goals are good. They have good hospitals. They have good schools. COVID by a Canadian for the no more chow microphone sika. That is a country that takes care of its people. So when the person is paying taxes, or you're willing. So all I'm asking my colleague journalists to do, who are listening or watching us, let's hold governments accountable. Let's put our lenses on government and how they are using our money. Obano mausikaji. Mimi men can't also mean jiska. Uye dipa. Jidi. Benukwe bano ye bonia. Katreno.
Senior member ako here, senior mentia person boni di. Say Mike, I'm following the discussion. It is true that we have failed, as my man is saying. But the point is that I once spoke against a government who was giving me small allowances.
Okay.
They failed to continue with that. Do you think others can do same? So I think that is a problem. And even it gets to the time where you and I are aware, say, it will be high, if free because now, yeah,
bro. Press conference,
yes, they say, no, this guy said the episode he can one can say. As I'm not about on why favor, so on favor, intino, you free.
As some can the pack I want or say, so Jaya Banya on Bayan your mope. But media and civil society, it's our job to hold every government, me can say this government, every government accountable. Look, the CNN, Obianim says CNN Democrats for there. Sky Power, Sky News, Republicans there. But when they are holding their government accountable, they are too baby.
Good.
Niyan say you're holding your government accountable.
And I say, Menchia, former member of parliament. Evaluate at Jomaruja constituency. Honorable Kokutani Chikesi, Nafi Mentia, former member of parliament. Honorable Catherine Ablemafiku. They know why I'm greeting them. Catherine MPP. And the Kesi ANDC. Catherine and a bit too Kesi. Kesi they can't be two, no, also be two. MPA. You two no. Now be a wedding or sign check 2,000. Say. Then he sat me down and said, you know what? During the time of elections, no, you proved to me, even to us, but not losing elections. When somebody say, let me take you outside the country for some time. So people were not, I don't know, NDC, fine, MP, fine. We young come from 3 1 year, but the answer your colleagues no.
Politicians oh, they know that. Do you know that the politicians, they know the ones they respect?
Oh, sure. Yesterday after show, there were discussions, of course, now I realized politicians now
oh, yeah. Yes, so yeah. But onyawa some of
sure.
But obema of fair hearing. You see, the thing is
most hard thing. Yes, who could do if you are not afraid. Such a and you me yere me mapa yare o mo yare no well I was go so dey ko agentebra na manya me colleague intina dia me go no say no sanity juma na din enye easy asam no be ka kro na na ye din fuwa no me ntimi nto so fuwa no me ntimi nto but we cancel obi tie as we ntimi nto say your man no dey na cause normal. The question we are asking today and it's the state of Ghana in no normal say dey hu da no. And I say, how any man come Ghana. I have to with you.
Yeah.
Good.
Say Mike.
So what about in terms of corruption, in terms of everything?
All right. Yeah. It's said that I may see cano. You share be to say Naminia can be
taxes.
Yeah, the journalist said taxes here, a very important part of the air can. So you when I would say the name news a year okay, but with information as some of us, you gather from you. We can boldly say, oh dear, you're the man betty as media a penny, but you say it as it is. You look into your eyes. Yes. Yes, and an American say the moment is what dependent. Any pounds of work.
Yeah, they don't respect you.
That is the word. The moment you become dependent, any pound before I aqua. Then we get Bible scenario. Near Diana will be torn. Now, you have the Western powers. Or Mouska at the end, no assign about the decided. Oh, yes, you have this as a Britain Wood institution. So, what I am a far. Or not in Chromo Brunio. I wouldn't the VSC, a Diameco, and I see Tomecufa, name, and China as a problem. But on no way our budget, we are also had the command money few. Why? Because of Mouska. And it takes only few. And I bet me as standing on their integrity. Say the media you can say, Ubenya, the principle in your life. Everybody should have a laid down principle in his life. For the moment that OJ, you can use a whole lot of names to write at the mouth. There are some colleagues here, Unia, say who from Kramer. What I was even a met from my phone to but it is such a person that we have to be up with your position. I may yen near maybe a pata. It will be a bold. I can be to me from Jimiana Unia. We are journalists. You have a name. You're Baku, you and Unia. The guy is free to catch him say because a Juma, one woman may be a mayor. Minyata Medma. I'm saying no. Yes, near Oboa Malco Venquano. Or the Swano so many quaid. And near competent people who manage mouth. You should have that is it. Monitoring and evaluation. Always monitor what is going on. And now the guy is he's really making it. Opa Meniska. Opa Meniska. Sometimes if you go out to me, send Uja, my send you are Nadia talk who are Nadia Guem. So wow. And the moment said we can open too dependent there. Integrity will be loose.
Company crime,
yes. Say, CSOs as here came to almost play major role in development of this country. Almost all do are buying accountable. Because of the US of here, you'll be to say the freight solution. You'll be to say Standard and Poor 500. You will say the Moody, you will say the Bloomberg. These are well solid, finished, recognized civil society organizations. America. They supersede. Now they because of the integrity and no credibility. No, if we are seeing now, to me say they have the power to give credibility to every country their economy. I'm be rating. Said Obeko AAA Obrego and a BB positive outlook. Omoniamu, why? Omi a civil society organization. Oma Babe integrity, Amaye, and your Maya then. They said it's very their mobile. Everybody say Imani Ghana Limited.
Imani is a Imani Africa.
Imani Africa.
Yeah.
Was also we share Omon Numedia na Omudi and no, but the time will come about say some of their arguments, what you say now technically, okay, the real because there be coffee and your may atia or more ye. Oh, to come a beer, walk a come a beer technical and your may who could do baby fat. You see, some of the a year or more the air battle. So, we don't talk about it. Okay. The Biame can say, no man air possible it will be as here. Now, the professor be can University. Say, was say in system and a curriculum. Some of the curriculum I used to university now also more upgrading every year. Because your number be airports will be especially in terms of trading, finance, and economy. You're lucky to be ever have you seen. But there are so many things because you see, I want started. London School of Economics has started even teaching about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, central capital, clouds platform. But over here you have even and then also sooner you did boom.
Okay, so
the
current state.
To the current state of Ghana, Ghana and Yedden. Not even Ghana, area singing Yedden. Adam Becano, I think last week, say Angela Merkel, the Buddhist Chancellor of Germany, or say it will be so unwise for any economist to downgrade or downplay the woes of the world economy. And I say, Kumawood TV or did the propaganda say any panel day and one home modern. Now, you see these three macroeconomic indicators here. The leading macroeconomic indicators.
Okay, which are?
The leading, say, where were we? The coincidence, the coincidence macro indicator, and also say, a fantasy here, and at the lagging, where are we going? The projected. It is also Ghana. Say the Bimu Kase, man ya tete apro hardship from no kre na e dear na 7 previous and this hardship e buy. You all know COVID kodi in 2019 Ghana your growth rate was 6.8%. 6.8%. Oh, compared from the 2016 bar which was 3.4% growth rate. 2017 a call 8.4%. 2019 a call 6.5%. It tells you say the leading where we near way. Then your man air was from and your man come on. Inflation at the same. Now almost young people be so mono. Not inflation, you got two could now got adia, not and also at the same. Our banking system not at the same. The Bianam beyond Faton. Say in 2015, na Babia Mawo na me baba be child dedication. Because Abucho ba you to me for 10,000 euros in show. It tax. The money also here is 9,999 euros.
Okay, you know do 1,000.
It goes do 10,000.
Okay.
A bro 10,000. Also the buy you pay extra. And a bit low. Even 9 years says to carry a whole lot of stuff. Yes. It's not me say who an ID. Unia me buy na sika so na dewa me buy na me ye ko nebra ti me colleague back e wo university na at those time university no e na branch manager no frame go ya no say no go ada ha na junior ma ba several times be iska no frame job be ma it's the move now say but you are still receiving people across no wo mo dey ben na yes sans so peso so no the 2 months age na one side meanwhile, huge money. Now I needed only 5,000 in 2015. Not percent better child education, but because the banks were in crisis, and any country, or banks are in crisis, then you are insolvency. You cannot survive. Okay. And then I'm using these 3 macroeconomic indicators. So you need no more 7 previous. I'm or money more deny will be done. Young one continent conquer to say a fun and be a chairman. Not your work. Yeah, and the family at the hell. Then intimate now, the castle or mine moon. That be not just a 7 previous. Make grandma bring me. And I say, now, me as my credibility as a politician, person, no, make grandma and ye or mine more. Now, so no, and ye. I could consist of 7 year dear or say, you be dear and I say, and no cook must market. Sika kura won a person to be habiting up. Now go to Europe. Italy, mama find example say be free buy. At first, na COVID in my. Na me koyi ensuo sachets no. E mu 6. It's a vertical, the bottle no dey e mu 6, Na ka bitimi to 10 e di go. But now no, o kwa ko di bia, itimi ma to be a 5. Be a 4. Wow, because say no COVID na ba ama production na dey akofom enti se ma ngwa ba be to 10 a ebinya bi mimi ni se mic ba wonya dey wonya bi Many penny general so ba when you be production has gone down. And now prices also why they because when demand
is higher,
exceeds supply, there will be what? Inflation. Price of goods and services will go up. Etinya Ghana and Kwana sebe previous. Enipa Japanese ye bomb painting kwa say o man mu edre. O man mu ye edre. And now COVID cause ye wa abesin se wiemu a and obia etwa no twa.
It also is of the view say obra no COVID na be man mu edre no. And Article 71 holders marketia. You see, you find set 2021 as you. You find back to 2017. Now you need arrest in Kamo. Meanwhile, you say, oh, mine no, COVID daba, give me more heading. Near catch others no. I don't know cut to your fiance, what the end of the more heading, you know. You're 4%.
Say, Mike, we winning. A idea, I think it's a more committee.
Yeah, Professor,
the committee recommendation on where at the buy. Normally buy a call parliament, Parliament but not abandoning a day. Or implementing NDC for and the so much propaganda now by more than I said, but just a young communicators who end me uncle could defend them. Because I don't know what I recommend it. But abandon so amp and they in this security say na 21 trying and
company and is it only 47,000
only salary you know cry and obi power evidence on me show
is what just saying
the increment about cancer 79% when it's not there here not there. It's never true.
Oh, okay, sir.
It's never true. And your propaganda. There was a recommendation by the Professor Committee, a called Parliament, NDC 40 hobby. Yeah. But this government are buying another damn and pen this signature. Although recommendation Parliament has approved, but he never pended any signature.
And here is the case. We have the information minister who came out to tell us, oh, Abano, Adiatum, ama first ladies, current and former for 1 year second ladies, between the brand no occurs answer no can buy Adiatum. No, can I say because as it stands now, I know of the first lady currently and then the second lady. And na dey see the mom no so money. But Minister Ma but me can say I dey no kwa no ente sa. So I am nya kakra so can say
yes and no na make no. Yes, recommendation aba eno muso atia say yempe yenye ama in fact back payment by me dey tia ne kai but
on penny dey no wonye
me na wonye so be what documents say was so adia me pay information any documents are some of us ehunu akinkan no o man panyin 79% o mu ka so wonye onye
this what just saying
oh no the normal salary already what ya oh unya oh information and the meaning right says seasonal journal
right pasaba so this is live on Kumawood TV pale sebra na enyamre enkenkan fuma o rekoche ba for financial consultant investment analyst and also a founding member of the NPP in Austria and Oten Kano. You think about Ghana or how near Mane and I say we say normal as he has explained. Say country be no nay because a man penny or man who more than now one Udiebo. I think that yes, Udiebo because COVID no and I'm on my no emu ayete. Senior,
yeah,
meet you.
Obisasa o man no mu
and I said normal. But it's a sanity 92.
It cannot be normal. It just can't be normal.
Okay.
And any year I bet na hano. I can say normal and I say normal no. And a verdict. The people out there.
You are also part of the people.
Oh yeah, I think so. But the people out there themselves know say, "Oh my din," and I say, "Enye din." And more so based on hopes of this current administration. So, okaso manumu ayedin. So what? Then ayedin who saw my be more ayedin. Your debt levels are going high. Your interest payments are going high. My brother is a financial person, so some casa on in America. Cement ball cost and necramity say 60. Can you imagine? edu 60 petrol what we say Ghana adiaba from that petrol ball cost eduane bo niam ye din abonten. So it will not take me and my brother to come and sit on TV or radio to say oh mine my din and I say din. The people out there feel it. And that's why fix the country for nam krumha omo be kota krade omo be kumasi na because they are trying to tell the system that hey you know my din. So for me I think that the people out there themselves know say nyama mo din. It will not take you and I to tell them say nyama mo din and I say
but emu den no yem fa so bo no mo hwan because as oti the chikan ahonkyere na aba because of yare bi ana expect unforeseen circumstances and I made a dream.
It's true. Say COVID has shown the world say no matter how much money you have or betimia ama wa ba from one time. So I agree omo say COVID abema or minus kasami asefo nyina akofom. It is true. Enyuma bi gu ye enyuma ebi ankoso aban sika so nya nyina so wentimi anya. It is true. But this same COVID, some of our peers in the sub-Saharan Africa, they are doing better than us. Côte d'Ivoire is doing better than us. In terms of their growth. And you see, say oh my we penny wo fie. Na bibia ba fie. Yen fa say munya 20 yen fa so minor in market so obenya 20 billion. That's what you projected that in the year 2020 you want to get 20 billion. Your expenditure is about 35 billion. So you are short of what? 10 billion. And as I mean can say 10 billion.
10.
Now Arabia ba. Now my projection to get 20 billion no above from to 10 billion. What do you do? You say you get 20 billion. You spend 35 or 30 billion. What does say get it 20 billion? No, you are spending more than what you are getting. Okay. Never so oten can I say. Now Arabia bank when to me anya 20 billion no, bakonya 10 billion. Let us say you are going to spend more than what you are getting, and even less. So COVID aba. What do we do? As a government and as a one year started spending more no you're free because the money that you have in the country is 10 billion. It's not enough. So where are you getting the more from? You have to borrow. It mean you can say oh my no ye dey no. Yes, COVID can now so ye ni ye be so am oh my no ye dey more
because ye ni ya hwan money.
Omo lead here no.
Okay, the government.
The government. Omo ni ye bi ma niema mo ye dia ma ye more. Should I tell you? It is aban yare aba na aban etu kwan. You have to cut down your expenditure. Because the care about bottom no and yes na ba short. Me no me no se sika bi ye wo sika bi e ba na e mba bi ma what do you do? Me fa no o de ma me
yebo economics.
Yebo economics. And yes na ye taka no. Me fa no say adwuma yi yes o niema mu ye okay ama wo every year bia ye ma wo vacation in Dubai.
Yeah.
Na niema mu aye dia what would they do? They will cut down your vacation.
Sure.
But is that what we are seeing? Maybe what in American COVID are be high. Let's agree. But COVID mo so ya nyes more. Ya borrow sika more.
Okay. So sika na ebolo.
Ya borrow ye.
Somebody will tell you say na ya desire ya.
Ya desire
because at first na PPs be anyhow. Eni yuko schools mo a. Almost all schools in Ghana PPs no. I was about na kwa krade ba. It is kind of kwaje be siane de. But the best one kwaje ye no. Ya dey sign pesi yare ho kwan.
Okay. Say no na ye dey ye. Say no dey nkwan hia che bibia. But I'm saying say niam bia ye ka ho no eno na ma ahoche na ba mo. Look, you are increasing insurance premium for vehicles. More use car. Yeah. You know, you are buying more fuel for more. If you boy a day, Enti sanya me nyina ka ho ema abrabo no ye din more even though say yare na ba ma na ye din but ye niema bi a ye. So if you're a leader, we a leader na niema mo ye din, what do? You cut down on your expenditure. Is that what we are seeing? Catch them. The Auditor General just came out with a report. Do you know how much has gone into people's pockets?
That is corruption.
That is corruption. Corruption is money meant for us to use for development, for things to make life easier for us. And I call be bottom. Now corruption. Why they say you see corruption? Why they say you say scanner and I call be bottom no? About mining chairman or mine to me use it for things. Now ma or mine no to phone here and here you. Why? So your president gets up and he travels in the most expensive luxurious jet. Or mine my day. Is that what you are telling me?
A friend of mine.
No, I want to. Yeah, I'm saying that COVID abe refugee.
But
emoye day no e ho na ese me hu se me leader e cut ni coat. According to ni cloth owo.
Me call back up in the US and USA or US. And now I me e chat na oka say ne colleagues on mo adwuma mu wo ho no rofo no o say be for Ukraine be for other countries. Omo we say are you sure Africans we are poor?
Okay.
Because of your leaders no the life of
the opulence. They live like Arabian kings. But what's your mind my day? Maybe can't say be fan a very person, but I'm saying it. Your man penny to quite and say call Angela Merkel or copeding or coped COVID a draw their brain. And Kaya Sempa Nipa na oko no hono. Waf chata plane out here about $17,000 an hour. A drone now
14,000.
Okay, 14,000 an hour.
There is no evidence to that.
Oh, you see, the aviation industry, and I say this, you have traveled maybe more than me. The aviation industry is the most transparent industry in the world. All I need is to take the president tail number, plane now or full coil. The tail number me go see me who how much or who say already ye wo back be that why you see Minister of Finance men country and here minor spending on that luxurious jet. Who say up to now yenkai. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because what's your mind more din? COVID abe ravage your economy. Iti niama nkoye. Do you know how much we grew in 2020? 1%. 1%.
Because of
he knows because of COVID.
That is Ghana was second in Africa.
We grew 1%. Cote d'Ivoire grew 2.5%. So Cote d'Ivoire did better than us.
Because if you are second, so at least
no problem. Whatever it is, we grew just 1% because of COVID. And it's a kind new hope. It means grow. What do you do as a father of the house? Do you go on celebrating your birthday when there's no money in the house?
no.
Do you go and be ravishing money everywhere when there's no money in the house?
No, so I will say live on Kumawood television. You try home na enya boy from Katromra. The prince ebusa and it says say papa e wo fie na ogitum say ahonche kakra be fie. Ti mo frani nyina no bia enya botre. School fees kura no me go to half. Na e de na me de ma ko school no. Say na mo no 1 cup a ne ye no half cup mo manage. Na obeba na papa ka esi fie no no oye burum ba ko a 2 gallons no. Sakas no 2 e de kwa bonten ba da bia no a wani beje ana say wani nye. Ye twe ho enye kratomra ye ba ye beto.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akon obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma fe na ne timi mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa wo se ne ba no ono matra ma do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue an kasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa wo ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu say abɛyɛ mmerɛ
okay
a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu ena sukɔ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayera na wohwɛ ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so agye afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru wo bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well all pia obusia say ifiri mu why the den enti meslewa mina fa kokko wifi na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ya den ma menti wo de mina na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye tiguma na ma why meslewa
ebusia yoko nyempo nkumase
munko nkumase
Luta. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, or Brapon to Yao. 7 and 9 and curtain and Yasha Dayon. Your penny, mammy. 7 and a padak. Oh, Marcia, camera. Namma, Chini, someone that's why. What's she made a windy problem cry? Who made you some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one animal said to me, tell you the promise. And what bread in the capre or do open a time with gross rate casket shop. I would massy labor higher. Me call Honoma. I know what's me, yes, can't show you. You would have been Joano. Missy Kaya, the man is a man. I saw a bit yes, I mean, ambulance. No, Miss Ampedi, everybody done and come. Ambulance, and the down, only ambulance service into any problem cry. Any now, the year is so open as to take a crab with the outwas here. You know, so come stay by Promo. You couldn't put it out. Some of Coastway Castle shops here, you will not come every day. To send you moving now. Coastway Castle shop, you will come and say, and continue town, you didn't labor office in the bank. Coastway Castle shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Say ya kwanto ne ho hyehyɛ pade a ɛno ane Venisberg Travel and Tour ɛyɛ dwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina agye ato mu ɔbɔ ma wɔyɛ birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amwaje visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing deɛ wɔyɛ number 1 ɔdo bɛkɔ nkuro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any aman yɛ de Schengen visa di ondwuma nyinaa so na ɔdo kodura amanoni a baabi a ɔbɛda ɛne adwuma a ɔbɛyɛ nyinaa nso so ɔbɛpɛ ɛde amawo adisuafo mu kosua de ɛwɔ Canada UK Cyprus Czech Republic Australia Belarus Switzerland Ukraine Russia USA any aman keka ho nyinaa nso ɔde mbɛkɔ akodura sumdue mu jojo na ɔde mu kodura emra mu sua de no nso ɔsapɛ dwuma mamu a mo yɛ dwuma mu hunu ha bia Venisberg Travel and Tour head office ɛwɔ Kumasi Santase ne Opokuari school ene de animhwɛ bɛkwai odo Tobiriwura bank nkyɛpɛ Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction de animhwɛ frɛ ne ɛwɔ 0242 902799 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene ɛda yɛn so
Kumawood TV.
Yes, I am Akwaba Uguso Siropi. This is live on Kumawood TV. Midday, and it's Mike. Please, Mike, we the people of Adentia. We love you so much. May God bless you with what you are doing. I say, my name is King Nicholas. I send this message from Sunyane West, Adentia. NPP government is more corrupt than ever. Akufo-Addo or Kelasu. God is watching you. Okay. Then they Abba, I don't know. So I say the current state of Ghana is not normal. It is hardship to the extent that even a cup of gari is sold at the rate of 3 Ghana cedis and kunkunte powder 2 cedis. but we are still saying because of COVID. But it is the same. We were buying new cars for MPs. At the same time, we are buying new cars for MPs. Okay, I know they Abba. I don't know. One for the next time for the Ebra. Okay, I say hello. Director Joel from Kumasi Atonsu. Okay, Director Joel. Yeah, now say. And it's a good evening, Mr. Host. If Akufo-Addo's government is saying because of COVID-19 pandemic, he is increasing salaries of workers by 4%, but going to rent an aircraft which cost 14,000 euros per dollars. Okay, 14,000 euros per hour. Spending about 100 million to purchase nose masks and Veronica bucket for SHS students. What kind of thievery is that? Akufo-Addo government is indeed a curse to Ghana. From Koniru, Aguna Swedru, and Akorono Rifria, what they Abba. When say, Samai, good evening. Please, Ghana is currently in a state of hardship. It's really difficult for the ordinary Ghanaian to afford even a 1 square meal a day. Increase in prices of goods day in and day out, and corruption have also been on the rise. Ghana is not working. Emmanuel inside Kuti and also there or the Abba and on Father Abra, the Ankenkai Emfama or say, listening to the discussion, I can also say that the journalists in this country have allowed themselves to be used by politicians. They have to wise up. Well, I didn't say, Father Abra Kamo, Niamre and Kenkai into me Emfama. Okay?
Yeah,
Mesaba.
Is it jealousy? The meaning, where did you cry? Say,
or the Virgin Prince.
Virgin Prince. Oh, the Virgin.
I know the Virgin Prince. I said Mala Muhammad. No, and the Mala Muhammad. And the Digake.
With the anti-Virgin. Oh, a nice guy. In fact, I really like you. But if he wouldn't say a year mobile, say you know one I say producers meet me. I come call www.abiapages.com/aircraft.
Abia Pages.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abiapages.com.
Avia or Abia?
Avia.
Okay.
AVIA.
Okay.
PAGE.
Good.
Yeah. Pages.com/aircraft. Yeah. A baby sa aircraft up. NDC for Kujetu Abraham of by. Oma put that aircraft needs so now. The price no yet that amount no more can. Pictures and some of us we were expecting say Naka for you know the buy no Naka na do and the clue here. Naka and no as evidence.
And one be just happy to
oh, they say NBC for the two and I on social media and go baby I think my mom that site no said just go there and check. And two, maybe you can be about the growth rate say a Cote d'Ivoire and a group grab more than Ghana, but it's never true. And now at the current growth rate in Africa, the 3 best African countries are global data fit solution they are back. Kenya, Morocco, and Ghana. Cote d'Ivoire is nowhere to be found.
In terms of
growth rate.
How much did you grow? You grew at 1%. Cote d'Ivoire is doing more than you. And you say you are more than Cote d'Ivoire.
Sub-Saharan African countries.
Yes. You take the take the growth rate for Cote d'Ivoire. Just type growth rate for Cote d'Ivoire, and And tell us how much
they say and no has say Mike. What you say the growth rate in African countries. Growth rate in African countries. There are 3 best countries in Africa. How we grow? And Morocco, Ghana, and Kenya. Even South Africa, the economic people and a powerhouse in Africa. Growth rate Romania. And in fact, 2021 they grew negative. Nigeria, the biggest economy in Africa, they grew negative. Only 2 African countries in 2 African countries, and they grew positive in 2020. Of it, Ghana is part of it.
Okay, so we have the fastest growth rate country in Africa.
Okay.
We have Morocco,
okay,
Kenya, and Ghana.
Oh,
to be the fastest growing major economy in Africa in 2021. Global data.
Global data.
You are saying 2021.
Yes.
Tell us the growth rate for 2020. Cote d'Ivoire's growth rate. No. You see, they are telling you that your growth rate for 2021. It's your first quarter. What grow? You are growing in 2021. We are talking about the growth rate for 2020.
Previous year.
Yes, I don't know. Say 2020 na COVID buy.
Sample the previous year, 2020.
2020, the growth rate for Cote d'Ivoire and Ghana.
Go to growth rate. In Africa,
they are telling you that your first quarter. Michael, the year 2021 has not ended. So we are in first quarter, second quarter, maybe third quarter.
Even both NPP and NDC. What I say NPP, NDC Bonabaso. NPP say NDC Niso Yanadia Bonabaso. Because all these things are credibility. And in fact, free solution, or by us in the whole Africa, the best country as an investor, Ghana. And it's that fit solution, or where you want to buy. So it is a balance near a minor air boy, nobody, every rational man, intimate, can just say, oh my Ghana, 7 previous, and say, you won't toy. And I saw man said, you move, and I say, we Namum Abano yen ya waiting at the eye. The binti and the net of May 7 previous. You want any of my Ghana across the globe. Obia Hotel. Oh, my own. Nana, ye share BB about that a year can't say, oh, man, penny, send grad with the gather. Not on my penny to Koya. A dear me, Pano, Edema. Yes, I'm sorry, and my man also, Namiko. And I would say, I will call Germany. Investors are committee. Angela Merkel, the Bundeskanzler, Germany, on one team, Musi Eka said, Ghana, or maybe for some time now, or minor grow positively. Or making some comparison, so making a comparison like South Africa, Nigeria, or say, or Mayanka, every investor, Diano, so open so uko invest here, and who go with the population. Country or growth because the GDP, endorse which is Nigeria. GDP growth is around $465 billion. Ghana is around $67 billion. And country be because you don't have the numbers. But Angela Merkel also catch yourself. We don't always, as an investor, we don't always deal with the numbers. And you need to do one kwana. What's your name? What's a modern one? Or mining the egg. And you making a certain example. Volkswagen, one of the biggest automobile industry in Europe, and in fact, okay, American General Motors, and then again you who my Ghana, assembly cars, Nissans are in the system, Toyota, Suzuki, and you think say economy and nobody, no investor. Oh, friends, he come in and me show me. And this year, but yeah, but that's not in your year. Yeah, and some of us, we expect. We am catching NPP for. Say, and Namahama Yadina here. No, Banwa Becca. Say, oh, Yadia say, that is growth. And never me had any. And this year, mine, and paying for you want one or more bois. Said, oh, mine, air corner, and then attracting investors. I'm more bound, mind, I'm more even promising. Onona Yebano, she has become a leading pivot as a broker. On leveraging Edema Ghana, investors say, Omomla Ghana, Emma may invest. And Okoye again is here. Not only Vasna, a Bimukasi Amaya say 1.8 million or 1.2 million $1 million Vasna say, but what the investors say, and they have my Ghana. Utu Kwanko, UK, Meeting France.
Doesn't have to take the president. Say, I'm just for quite one thing, and some of the investors are back. We have ambassadors, we have high commissioners, we have. What are they also doing?
Yes, a very good question. The ambassadors no more now. They are the president for the people in that locality. So these ambassadors, they will just go and lobby in collaboration with Ghana Investment Promotion Center. Because they say, sir, that XYZ, that the board mind Ghana one, that why, into no, lobby. To know we are, then he brings or he or she tell the government to bring the technocrats. Come here, my young Tiamokoena, who say you have granted Kobe. Oshe, that is Ghana Investment Promotion Center, CEO boy. Oshe, Ghana Stock Exchange, Omu CEO Sukobi. Oshe, Ghana Commodity Exchange, Omu Kobi. A roar. It entails technocrats, or the various institutions.
Very laudable.
Very laudable.
Very laudable. But the point is that he made a point, say, Omani Muaya Dino. I papa no say, Omani Muaya Dino. Do you have to charter an aircraft for on that way? No, say, what they call a mine who casa or branca bit me off a normal flight, and I said, yeah, I want with me.
Yeah, very good. Some of us, we don't support to say, a mere moya dripano, no pocket to treat this, the cocotata, and he made a very powerful way. I said, Omuko US Miribino. So, Fofia and Twata, seven previous and Gary, a man paying for the including the president. Eat crap with and again, Adia, who ye biana Africa, the Biamica say, ye pay me Hunyanka, de Biami Hunyanka, me Hunyanka, Babonino, he own precaution, a crown sana. Papa Ababe said, Hunyanka.
So, Mr. You have lived in Europe for so many years. Say, your wife didn't be now, if you are there for a year, it didn't say, ye fort. Na yentimi service e make sure say when ye the enti say kan kwan ke be use aye de be kwakoy e be ma individual and another private man no ska no yentimi enya no man mu na enya no nto da bia na emfa ska no konko obi wa bonten. Is that what you agree on?
A very good question pa na waka e ba aircraft ya there a machine so it develop sport yeah now obi people say Ghana, before said President Rabi to accord, will state protocols or move to
sure.
Disability states sure. A form A. And the two, you were experts in aviation in terms of this aircraft now. Almost who say the distance plane no ever call. And I said, Bia air call. You share a plane that the year we you hit CSCS here, Bia. You see, it's security wise.
And the question he asked before you went on break, and he said, so no, Papa, no, Matifi, and then Munya, Pakacho, yes, and Munya. Oh, sorry, Ukrasin, Koran, fat, Trotron, but oh, sorry, can't they see if you're not mamma to say, Utuba, 100 cities full, and I would. Are you being fair to
McCoy and Sapan and Belfi? That is the way we need to talk about.
Oh, okay.
Papa no Coy was in the Sapan and Bayana. You investors are Papa no Coy was Sadia Bo my Ghana. Let's look at the investors. Now, one, rice industry. They say, Nanka, you cry more from Malaysia. It's what investors are more Germany. I saw mechanisms. Modern day farming mechanisms for the more and only one. And the two, railway setup. Abuja, one of the major way a driveway economy, air transport.
Right.
And no more transport on the air way. I know so many giant railway company. Almost support. And again, I don't almost also air some my sika. Eddie Ababa be say economy.
Okay.
Ababua ama ye. Ti papa no sabi otu kwan no. Otnase e make analysis. E say me de teku anasim po na eko. Na se me free oba. Says he can menya the returns and as menya the returns. On all these things I have been known here, not just corner you enuma. Okay. And na esa dia block on my Ghana.
Right. Mesamba. Robbie Fashion edifice chemso near Goda Hotel. As the President Nanado is focused and won't be disappointed, won't disappoint Ghanaians. So the NDC should continue in their propaganda and lies that they used to do when they are in government. Regards to Dr. John Kuma, Deputy Finance Minister. We say, hi, Sir Mike, good evening. Now Ghana President by 90% journalists. Kojo Badu, sorry. And I say more. Kojo Badu, edify a news site. And now the other say, on my penny, 90% of journalists. Kojo, do you have an evidence? I'm Nicholas Nanakwen watching you live from Mankasim. Please, the 4% should be increased to 25%. Labor unions, no say, we say, good evening, Sir Mike. If Ghanaians are facing hardship now, then we thank God we have Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia. Without them, Ghanaians would have been dead by now. But we believe in NPP and our leaders will surely deliver above our expectations. Nana Addo, or say Aga, representative for region. Please, it's only Ghana where opposition party like the NDC are talking about the incumbent party. Let the journalist mention only one country apart from Ghana that the opposition party is talking like the NDC. Together, we can fight COVID. You know, see anyone so messenger also what they about. And Mesco Spelele from Kasua or say, wow, President Nanado is bringing COVID-19 vaccines from Germany. The NDC is spewing lies and propaganda, and the PNC is on the side exposing their internal wranglings to Ghanaians. I think they should all join the competent NPP to move Ghana forward. Simplicity. One of the Abano so how come send. And so we so at the if we good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying your show. Keep it up. And God will bless you. Peter, God so. But Peter once again was asked for Nanado, dear. Ghanaians have nothing to tell him about the wasting of our resources. God is watching him. Okay, Peter, dear. But the Abba, I don't know. We say, I'm sorry inside Kaswa. Please tell the NPP person that we need the allowances to. It has kept long. We are suffering. Teacher trainees. And that's about 8 months. Teacher trainees, Munyam allowance. We see the state is in hardship and will continue to be in it till the end. He said, no hope. You pray for that. Good evening, Mr. Host. Let your viewers know that Ghana is in the wrong hands. Why do the NPP government still compare itself with the NDC government? The money that has been given to this NPP and Nanado's government is more than twice of what Mahama had. But if Ghanaians will say the truth, Mahama used the money he had on monumental projects that are visible everywhere. Let the Kufuado government show us what they have used the oil money, taxes, and the loans they have taken for, sector by sector. Koniru, Eddie Wasandi Ababu, and no. Right, you go so, it didn't come out. I didn't change Fabra. Now, in Yamre and Kenkai and Mammy, then it's a mic, and then senior, and so, and I have Boga, and so I didn't go home. Boga, on a quarter, which the Musaboga, say, Anna, and a Tiana, said the politicians, Elivi, or my country, I want some, that we have boom, 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 sanity. Say, compare the salaries share Austria, Italy, any other countries, what not now. A Catuano, differences no sir.
Yeah, okay, the BR because the only time when NPP and NDC will agree on something is when it comes to more salary structure. Okay. Yes, of which some of us know. Yeah, better say time comes, no, because you know I've been told say constitution amendment review no a woman abide no more say on better. Oh, anytime we say the salary increases after a year.
Na say o het mamuni no ono ya medical doctor no we professor no we teacher no a ono na ketua na afia bi eye ureti a eye bi abe 8% of what the politician eje.
Who said every kind of maker say every country be have yes, so yes. So okay, more salary structure. They won't have it. Yes, salary structure. It's a salary structure. Okay. And they all hold more behind the more areas.
Right. Malam Mohammed Esibra Kwawu etivie na Malam Mohammed wo makachiro ese Malam o swag papa Malam Mohammed ko pie ne nkyɛn ko watibi a omoden ma wo hawa wode baaye no watimi atenete e de ama wo se oba ya ne so benya botra trans no abom pa ya kache ala se ala Awurade bebia mekoi ma ne nwie mi yi akoma mote na banko ade a yo bebia nso no nyameda no so amana timi awie e de ama onti awo na ho ayete de ama sikasem na ho atochima sikasem no yadwuma entimi entumpon a wo se bra obetimi aboa amadwuma no atimi atumpon sanso na abezo di yi a na abrabo mu akwai na Malam mu a open protection enso asebra na wontimi emwa na honhom bi na tata wo a mo abayifo tata mo na waje mo shebra kwose ensu ase no Malam se momra na wontimi emwa mo waye bi pen ogusunso a oye de only Malam a oba radio TV na obia emfren kase 27 years ni ofa kwa mbone bi skwa ebuneda ko na Malam Mohammed omwa se yare enso de a makachiro honhomani ene honamani nyina no ko no omwa na oba no na so obusuane no etwere etam na hanu a ko ntantam so pa Malam beboa ama ni netmefo nya court case musa asem no de bempa de a Malam sebra wo de obaye no ano ko court ho na ko so be difa wo de bemko ade a o mo bi kwa bone so enyo japade mfi nsam eda ko watibie eskafo amantem ene wo 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 chanson se eda bia yeda ai bodi sa dade juada ekosi kwasi da Malam juma ko na untimi emwa senior
okay I just want you to the reason why your man penny oti enyo no kwa na invite in ba Germany other African countries some African countries chose to not to go but omo ye no via Zoom. Listen, Germany, and this is August 22nd, 2021. 27th of August, 2021. Germany will offer Africa up to 70 million COVID-19 vaccine doses, Merkel says.
To Africa?
Africa.
Not to Ghana alone?
No. Germany first, there was 70 million doses of vaccine. You can see the Africa. And to say a man penny call you one call, yeah, Kibenya vaccine. As for the beta by investors, I have no problem about it. Now investors no my penny buy or more my it's more yen so my penny buy investors are back. Investors is take time. They will come and do their own feasibility studies and do their own thing before they will know. I'm saying that if it is investment. Every day, even our ambassadors there are asking people to come and invest in our country. So let's not do it as if so investment it penny cohort because they were invited alongside other African countries. The other African countries chose to do the meeting on Zoom. Why do you think they did that? Because they wanted to save money for their country. Instead of traveling with the entourage and money, they decided that you better not fee. Skaka cry one. Near manage na Angela Merkel so person or dey drone briar or dey drone betimi you betimi arrange no dey drone abre. Ye man penny dey also be charter plane. No dey akọ. No asaba. E na me catch you say wo papa ti fie no ye niam bi sa wo be gye atum se niam mu aye diana.
and of course not the sikaba.
Oh, sikaba no dia ba. Oko Germany. I don't want to sound like as if I know argue up. Oh, first sikambia my. Even from the communication director. Ah, oye Eugene any Jefferson Saki. Omo nyina nka so ma pani call no akoji loan bi aba. Eye drone na no maka tell so wakofa wako waya or the by na me catch say drone Angela Mika Kaye on the 27th of August say omo was 70 million doses of a drone at the Africa, which Ghana is part of Africa. It is all call your one co and Kobenya drone. It me fancy ho. And I make other African countries were supposed to go at their meeting. Almost no Zoom. Cost saving. Now let's go to look. Ghana's economy contracted by 3.2 and 1% in the second and third quarters of 2020, respectively, pushing the country into a recession for the first time in 38 years. Maminko Cote d'Ivoire. Okay, so Maminko Cote d'Ivoire, na Yenhu se Cote d'Ivoire so grew by what percentage?
Right. Emphasis that my teacher constitution and if you are more say those achievements are causing confusion in the minds of NDC, PNC, CEP, and even Mame Ekuyadonko. This little number of people who met yesterday in PNC conference couldn't control themselves. And they are always there telling the president to fix the country. Fix your attitude. Greetings to Chairman Odino Kwekwapia.
Okay. On the 16th of June, this is from Reuters.
Okay.
Ivory Coast economy is projected to grow by 6.5%, projected in 2021. Up from 2% last year.
Okay.
So if you Ghana grew by 1%, no beer grew 2%. Only Nipano one high. No, you are projecting in 20, and also projected to grow by 6.5% in 2021. And your projection, last year, we are talking about last year. This year, this year, look, I'm saying that this year and year, and I make a choice. And your projection, or see, Ivory Coast economy is projected to grow 6.5 in 2021, up from 2% last year. And I make a choice. So last year, no, you grew by 1%.
Okay. So they did better than us.
Yeah, they did better than us. Ivory Coast is projected to grow by 6.5%. You are projected to grow by 4%. You are projected 2021 to grow by 4%.
So projection.
Yeah.
Projection is not something.
I am not dealing with projection. I am you. No.
It was up in 2020. It was up by 2%.
1.8%. Not 2%.
No, 2% in Reuters actual. Okay, so 1.8%, and I gonna grow by 1%. In fact, we are going to grow 0 point something. And 1%.
1%.
Only Mami come me or that way. Now me person me clear free.
I mean clear free. Please, what's the NPP man trying to say? The fact that the Akufo-Addo went to Germany for investors doesn't mean he should hire the most luxurious aircraft. Also, they are going to partner with the investors to steal Ghanaians.
Oh, that one.
Are you sure?
No.
You have no evidence to that. Good evening, Mr. Mike. I'm Joseph from Asuyabua. The current state is hard, more than hard. The word hard. My own party, NPP, nowadays are talking too much. I'm even ashamed of voting for the NDC. We say, please tell the NPP man that Nanado has failed totally, leaving the abandoned hospitals and built another one. Ghana Statistical Service said that we need our money 2 months, no pay. We should maintain where you not papa, but if it's safety,
I'm sure. Population causes
population housing. Scanning by.
Yes, scanning by.
You don't give them.
Free.
And the service, Madame.
Well, and so hono de engine tum say
and the virgin one man time
hey oh ni aminu ya me it's ya tum say Cote d'Ivoire perform better than us even though they were also in COVID. And the engine tum say they are projected to grow by 6.5. We are projected to do something beyond 4%.
And we also perform better than some countries.
Oh, that is true.
So it means that we have
that is true. But I'm saying that our leaders are doing things that are not showing. Say, okay. But your leaders no, and living like Arabian kings. What are Arabian kings? Say Dubai for president, and that's all. Ni also so castle be high plane and Kobe be. I'm on found because the people, citizens are living well. Me no ye living well, and then so to ani so now fell unia say now wo he say ne be ya wo picture bi e nam social media guy bi o taxi so a o to nsuo mu na two guys bi na ko yi no because he can onim ni entia o mampeni ntimi yi MMDCs because there's no money so he can ni ho na kakra na wo ho a ye mampeni
evidence
oh you see you don't there's no money it is a woman penny say he can ni ho na nka obenya o man penny to say malawa feel man penny Angela make a friend is sombra. I say no, I don't have money. The little money let's do Zoom. The medicine the be fa kwan ya be ya so a wo de be bray. Say what budget is all the be my. But your man penny dey also be ko. O ko yeso so amfa commercial flight o. Ye plane na ye nua e ka say e wo ho according to the defense minister is in prestige condition. Oh. Ah o man penny betimi dey atu kwan. Ni ameka ko sini say wo si niam mu nye ye yentua more taxes se ne be ya ban benye sika but ye nye sika na then ye dey are we using it for good roads hospitals or we are using it to just start up plane for our president to sleep in a king size bed bath in the air ye me be wo wa ye dream temamufo no ho because ye wo kire ye
matter
journalists for e ho kire omo obi a ho kire no it the least I expect from my president is to be modest. So if I see my president being modest, oh, my president or cutting the coat very well. But when I see my president living opulence and living large, like an Arabian king, and you want me to tell you so? I said, man, okay.
Over say, Okopiemu, Dubai. Now, what do you need? Okofaniema, and I'll call you Juma. I want travel and logistics, and I come for the Amawo. Was supposed to be in Sa, why would you go Hodano? I be amount, and Okopiemu, oh. You must have said here, you what that 0552373027 0552373027 friend. Now, on your so. Boss, we casket shop when you're young Quadia. If you so best you with Rondaka casket, a couple of a year in a week, about somebody, even the editor somebody acquired the Gumono. Boss was Ninabi, I want to catch you. Uniska was a penny, money how, bra, no more. Now, we are here this canon about to be a fan. But be our gonna be ano. Kumasi and so to that friend one rebel na enema timi akoso 0243737457 0243737457 popasa utu kwan sa eka visa passport we dey because we be birth certificate and we here be and I say but utu kwan na no opo bi amana abuku hotel e dey amount ticketing both domestic and international you know no ko ba ko American for the amount so betimi aboa obra ho bi ama ho Venisberg travel and tour. Kumawood Santasi and Omo Ewo. Over 0556 055 965. From where? Now, Omo so. Sache, packet will be so now. If you are managing my phone pimping, so it's been fair.
Yeah, very important. But before say President Bitumiano, and I say who solid free planners of where who back now they call say and let win and Papa Pay. President Africa President or Castle or no, the mind they say we need anything to do with Germany. The only thing I may play, but our president also as what Nancy said, it's not only the vaccine that make because COVID the buy, ama we have a huge unemployment wage. Engineer Sieko, na you could see for investors. No me
so you must shut
up. Whenever you are dealing with investors. Especially open eyeball to eyeball, personal contact. I want to see you.
Any when you say that there, then it means company to Papa.
Oh, country also let me use the opportunity. let me use the opportunity. And now here Abrofuya Monenam, African campus, you move bar ebe number 2, who interact no ma baba be you know. The omo any investor to be entina a very day, omo to the whole interact here ediba. It president of no Africa country. I don't know uncle so of personal person. That is it. Because for whom say apart from the COVID now, vaccine mode bremo. I have nothing again to do with Germany. And Ghana, yes, ye pay. Ye kwako ye be pay. And then Volkswagen back. Am I employ? I can't say Ghanaians. I'm a now call the various universities are. Be call for practical. Mamenka the certain. Good
Mamia Homanantum. Na 0202668461 0202668462 abusia oba multi volume no form phone e kuta de frɛ no ti ho phone no e beto nka na afi etimi edi nkomo na wa ma wonsam no so ayitia etimi edi ama Nicholas dia odia ba minim say poemo or say our father who is Nanado who art in Ghana. Incompetent be thy name, thy doom so comes, thy galamsey be done in Ashanti, as it is in Central. Give us this day our doom so timetable, and forgive us for wasting our time to vote for you, as we forgive those who campaign for you, and lead us into. Well, hello, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. If I tell my two on from the Tonka Casa. Right. Yes, you are on Kumawood. Yenti Wadarama. Very well. Hello. When you tell Casa, Kunaro Casa. Okay. NDC ni how?
Oh, na said oh, that's the veggie. Yeah, and you agree with me.
Okay. Kunaro, Yanasi. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
9 months.
Good evening.
Almost no more.
Hello.
Local governance, no.
Opani, Mativolo no come from Nientio. We need to be free. We need to be free. If I tell my dick, I say, oh, ba, Mativolo no come from Nientio. Hello, good evening. Yes, sir. Amen. Okay. Uni abi ahwe mi fra nwumre. Rade kusu Israel pa. Yedase. Yentio wadaruma. Yetio kasa wadaruma kasa. Hello. Bani yetio kasa. Eya asemo. Yasemo ba. Ma oti bolo no nkofom. Phone na de friend na de ti wo phone no. Yebete wonka. Mentie wo ho. Ansa na wakasa. Wo yesa yentimi ene woni nkobo. Hello, good evening. Wow, utie me good evening. Hello. Hello. Good evening. Hello. Good evening. Hello. Abane mete wonka kasa. Ya ho ye kasa yentio. Hello. Abane kasa. That's serious. But the Oba Bodia no Akasa, Adaroma. Robodia, Kadobakabia, Yanko. Hello, good evening. Abani it's you. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Odiye bi ahwe me fra dwumre. Mete won ka che teacher gina ye na ye ntio. Good radius.
How a citizen is so when the optics are very important too. No, who said I said that.
Okay. See, yana say, yamre no aye emre mo fanche mo amofra na mutimi get it through no. Na yana mase pa say da bia mo nyamre na mutimi ehwe nyamisha mo pa na pe yana ya boafo nso Venice Back Travel and Tour Malam Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center, Bossway Casket Shop, our travel and logistics. Nina aseda enko emfa emamu. Well, yes, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, I got you na we make can say mom pay pama na that na buy. Papa why thing and we believe in him. He said obey.
And then the second lady can say yemma nanado more time.
Obey Juma.
I say give my husband more time.
Yeah.
We are going
I said that the air cost face the camp, but here can send give your commakers who Nanke maybe to child more the allowance is near and the paper or the being
allowance na mau. Oh yes.
I say the prayer
students are more here and every catch they 8 months teacher training for
say Ebeba.
That allowance is something
na unim and you forbid the say don't know cry marina na ba. What here for all these years of better since 2017 or promising.
Even tell them Mampenifo asonte say not for say. Aduane short was SHS. They are buying number.
The Minister of Education say enya no correct.
Why?
They say what they want now is say what is not say the woman be kwa Kumawood.
We were not able to talk about corruption. I really wanted invite me. Let's do an analysis of these two governments. One part and fighting corruption. And let's have a no problem. We can do that. Intellectual analysis.
Yeah, but what 1.2 billion so there 4.5.
No problem. Sitcom we no problem. Nyame kan say oman no eye na nyina ye pe. Senia omanpeni yiri say money kunu more time. What else are we expecting from her? Any kunu. Nti ebi onene ewo bedroom na okachen so maybe when I'm giving more time, but time in the home, time no day. We gave you 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah, some of another 4 years. So what more time are you? And you one say a government that inherits its own. And to me, MMDC 9 months and into its second year them.
Right.
It means you can't say you hold the government accountable.
Right.
That's the only way they can sit up.
Okay.
You just be more fire home cry.
Right. Senior colleague, Virgin Prince, broadcast journalist, and I feel Moti Ostra Boga. Ostra.
That's a very far place.
Founding member.
Almost
Yeah,
what free hapa.
They all can
Australia.
Ostra.
Yeah, the Australian they say
Italian Boga.
Do you have any relation with Australia?
No.
Okay, well, okay.
Na afi yadamase wi no ye na Bantama Chamanjo that's a pa nyame onsta na afi ye na incoming Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer Isaac Bonsu also ye na say Michael Boatin communication officer for NPP Oforiko constituency also ye da say bidin Sir Mike Ahaya Kumawood TV on behalf of the entire crew Loretta Augustina Uchi Nozo Samuel Kwabna Dakon Sam Dakus Bernard Ade and Afi the able hard-working DOP Kobe Frank Omina and a boy marriage media no it's me at the Ebro Nyame ya to china na an kopin no sia e be sia na ya ndi wiki no fefe na sheden so se abrabono enkakra e bi odru bia no kakra me papa mu no e be yi e pre ho e mo bi ntu fo bone e ma da chiwi e fa nso so bone emfa emro so ho ye na e mo ni nkunyame ho na o ye ne sa onyame na nkasa ne me pam no obista bidin e de Sir Mike ye de si nyame ya do china e beto aso
Osi animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu ba from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma me ne da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na